Hey guys and gals, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hi, hello, my name is Ellie and we post all things makeup and beauty related on this channel. I will put here and here some of what I consider my essential videos, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing, why do I think I'm an ASMR artist right now? We are going to be unboxing the November 2020 Glossybox. So if you want to see what is inside this box this month, please go ahead and just keep on watching. Is the inside. It has a gorgeous little bow. One thing I will say is I love Glossybox packaging. It is neatly packaged and has a sticker sealing it together, and then we get a booklet telling us all about the products inside, and we usually get a sneak peek. So on the leaflet for the December sneak peek, it says next month marks what was a glossy HQ, describes the best time of the year. During colder seasons though, we know skin needs extra care, which is why next month we're bringing you Symbiosis Glycolic Acid plus RNA Overnight Rejuvenating Eye Serum. It says it's worth an incredible £102 and your skin will be left visibly firmer. If it's worth that much, I don't know, they'll probably send us a tiny version, and I probably butchered half of those words, but yeah, that's what's going to be in next month's box. So first things first, in this box I can see that we've got two masks. So this first one is from Argan Oil and it's the Repairing Deep Conditioner. It says it strengthens and restores dry, damaged hair. It looks like a mask, but I don't know with it's in conditioner. So it says that this is a full-size product. It actually looks like, for once in Glossybox's life, they've gave us all full-size products this month because they don't like to do that. It says formulated with organic argan oil unique to Morocco. This deep conditioner will turn dry and damaged hair into luscious locks as if by magic, super strengthening and intensely hydrating. Massage this miracle working product into clean, wet hair, focusing on damaged areas. Leave on for up to 10 minutes before rinsing well, and that is only worth £2. The next thing that we have, again, looks like another mask. This is by a brand called Cubella Professional. It says Recharge and Restore Purple Moonstone Glitter Gel Mask, and it says that it recharges your mind and rejuvenates the skin. This packaging is too cute. This is a girly dream. Now this mask is worth £2.49. It says lusting after radiant glowing skin. Well, this hydrating gel mask will cast a spell and make exactly that happen. Enriched with recharging moonstone extract and glitter shimmer particles, this mask will help leave your skin feeling bright and nourished. Simply apply the mask with your fingertips to freshly cleansed skin and leave to work its magic for up to 15 minutes. So apparently that's going to give us nice sparkly, glowy, hydrating skin. So the next thing that we have is by a brand called Generation Clay, and this is their brightening purple clay mask. So another mask. Looks like we've got 3 different types of masks in here. This is more the type of mask that I will gravitate towards. I don't usually use sheet masks or masks that come in anything like this. I usually give these to my boyfriend because he doesn't mind stuff like that, but I prefer stuff like this where you actually like pour it out. This is 50 ml of product. So yeah, let's read about it. Guys, this isn't in my booklet. I don't know if they maybe run out. This isn't in my booklet. It looks like I was meant to receive something called the Leave Me On Autumn Mask by a brand called Mud Masky, but for whatever reason I've received this. Maybe this is from a old box. I don't believe this is what I should have got. I'm trying not to ruin what's in the box, but I should have received this and it would have been worth £35. I mean, I'll read you the claims anyway of the Mud Masky one, because I'm assuming for those of you who do get Glossybox, that's the one you will have gotten. I think this may have been an oversight that I've got on this. I mean, I'm not mad, it sounds nice. I just don't think this is what I should have got. If you get Glossybox, let me know if you got this or if you got the one that's actually in the booklet, because now I'm thrown. So for the more masky one, which I'm assuming everybody else got, it says it's worth £35 and this unique elixir has the power to rebalance and rehydrate your skin after a hot summer. A trick in a tube, it's a gel-based, oil-free, ultra-calming formula, helps to reduce the appearance of sunspots in as little as 3 weeks. Apply a thin layer onto your cleansed face in the morning and leave it on during the day to work its magic. And naturally I don't know what this one's for then because I've got no information on it, but it says how to use. Apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes until the mask starts to tighten. Use water, gently rinse off your mask in circular motions and then lightly pat your skin dry. I'm assuming it says this one's 50ml and it does say that the other one's only 40ml. But I'm almost assuming this isn't the full size. I know it says on here we get all full size and this one's not on that, but I'm assuming this isn't the full size because it does say not for resale, so this shouldn't be getting sold alone, which would indicate it's like a mini version of the full size. So maybe the full size is 100ml. Yeah, I'm really confused. You're going to have to let me know what one you've got in the box. So I don't know, this is just me. The next thing that we have is by the brand Spectrum. It looks like this is from the Zodiac collection. This is the B07 Tall Crease Blender Brush. I love a makeup brush, guys, honestly. So this is the brush. It's black with some gold embellishment and gold writing on it. So yeah, this is definitely a crease brush. I see myself blending products through my crease with this and then being able to happily blend them out as well. So yeah, not much to say about it. It's just a standard eyeshadow blending brush, but I will definitely get a lot of use out of this product. So it says, oh, it's a limited edition. It's worth £7.99. So add definition to otherworldly makeup with this tall pointed blender brush. The super soft synthetic bristles on this limited edition black and gold tool taper at the tip into a defined flame shape, which will effortlessly glide across the lid and into the crease of the eye. Blend in sweeper motions to create an enchanting eye look. And this takes us to our last and certainly not least product, the one I'm definitely most excited for. This is a eyeshadow palette by the brand Ell Xx. I have never personally owned anything from them. This packaging is really cool. This looks similar to something I have. So yeah, you're probably going to say it's not even close, but this packaging puts me in mind of the Zoeva palette. This is the Artisto palette and it just looks like that inside by Zoeva. But yeah, it kind of put me in mind, like, you know, the dark packaging with the gold embellishment to it. And yeah, this we actually got a sneak preview of in last month's box. I love it. I love it. So there's a little mirror. Let me just get rid of the mirror. Guys, that I love it, I love it, I love it. This is my type of palette. These are my type of tones. What are these shimmers saying? Oh me, oh my. Oh my god, they're beautiful. And wow. Look how pigmented their matte shades are. I nearly didn't dip into them too because I thought, well, they're not going to show, they're really light. Oh me, oh my. Oh my god, this palette looks so pigmented. This is right up my alley. This looks like something that would be super easy to travel with. I can't wait to play with it. So it says this palette is worth £29. Honestly, for a palette this size, I would usually say £29 might be a little bit pricey on the higher end of the spectrum. But given the pigmentation of this, I don't know much about Ell Xx. I don't know if they are a higher end brand. I don't know if they're a drugstore brand. I don't know anything about them. But given the swatches so far, obviously I don't know the blendability. I don't know how they're going to perform on the eye. But I see where they're coming out with this price point because these seem like they're pressed really nice, that they're going to perform well. But who knows until I try them. So it says this is called the Magic Palette. Summon mystical forces with the most magical highlighting palette ever created. Sorry honey, what? This is an eyeshadow palette. Is that a misprint? What's going on this month? You okay, Glossybox? With the magical highlighting palette ever created, providing just the right balance of undertones, these 8 spellbinding shades complement any complexion, whether for day or night. Start by applying a lighter shade all over the lid, then add a darker shade to your outer crease and blend. Highly pigmented, yes they certainly are. These press powder shadows also allow easy application with minimum fallout. Okay, so apparently we're not to expect fallout either. That is insane. They seem super duper pigmented and I cannot wait to try these. So that is everything that we got in our November 2020 glossy box. I'm really happy with this box, to be honest. I do think I will use most of the things. I'll definitely use the eyeshadow palette. I'll definitely use the brush. I will definitely use, oh, I'm dropping it, there's purple mask. I will definitely, I'm all over the place today, I will definitely use this hair conditioning mask just because I'm trying to look after my hair a little bit more. Probably won't use this if I'm being perfectly honest, but it's always worth keeping in. It can, you know, be gifted to somebody, maybe in someone's like little Christmas package, or my boyfriend might even use it. So yeah, overall I am really happy with this month's box. It is definitely worth it. Glossybox, I signed up for a 12-month subscription, so I only pay, I believe it's £10, but with postage it comes to like £11.75, something crazy like that. So yeah, the eyeshadow alone was worth way more than the box itself. So I am really happy and I've got an itchy nose. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to let me know if you've got this mask or if you got the actual mask in the leaflet, because my mind's boggled. I hope that I will see you guys in the next one. Please hit the subscribe button and join our little fam. You can hit the one down below at the side of me, or you can wait till the end of the video and hit the one in the shape of my big face. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one.